Multiplication word problems, grade 2. A bicycle has 2 wheels. How many wheels does 3 bicycles have altogether? Answer is 6 wheels. 2 times 3 equals 6. There are 4 seasons in a year. How many seasons in 4 years? Answer is 16 seasons. 4 times 4 equals 16. A cat has 4 legs. How many legs does 8 cats have altogether? Answer is 32 legs. 4 times 8 equals 32. A bird has 2 eyes. How many eyes does 2 birds have altogether? Answer is 4. 2 times 2 equals 4.